As indicated by the most recent long-haul figure, Cardano cost will hit $0.7 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $1 toward the finish of 2025. Cardano will ascend to $0.5 inside the time of 2029, $2 in 2031 and $0.5 in 2034. Cardano value expectation 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $4,653, so the cost diminished by 22% from the start of the year. The estimated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $55 and the year-to-year change 8%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 18%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.49 per one Cardano. In the principal half of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $0.72. In the final part, the cost would add $11 and close the year at $83, which is plus 78% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $83 to $116, which is up 40%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $83, then, at that point, dip to $0.74 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.79. That implies plus 70% from today. Cardano forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $116 to $182, which is plus 57%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $116. Then take off to $123 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $130. It is about plus 179% from today. Is a 4 1 2 4. Cardano value expectation 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $63.91, so the cost expanded by 7% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.93 and the year-to-year change plus 56%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 46%. In 2024, we hope to see $0.83 per one Cardano. In the main portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $121. In the final part, the cost would add $18 and close the year at $139. Which is plus 117% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $139 to $196, which is up 41%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $139, then dip to $124 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $133. That implies plus 108% from today. Cardano expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $0.96 to $303, which is plus 55%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $196, then take off to $228 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $220. It is about plus 244% from today. So 3152 4. Cardano value forecast 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $159.78. Today, Cardano exchanged at $0.7121, so the cost expanded by 19% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.80 and the year-to-year change plus 201%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 153%. In 2024, we hope to see $135 per one Cardano. In the principal half of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $234. In the final part, the cost would add $0.10 and close the year at $244, which is plus 243% to the ongoing cost. Cardano forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $244 to $388, which is up 59%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $244. Then take off to $255 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $239. That implies plus 236% from today. Cardano forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $388 to $615, which is plus 59%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $3.88. Then, at that point, take off to $4.11 inside the principal half of the year and finish 2031 at $4.34. It is about plus 509% from today. 30124. Cardano Value Forecast 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at 0.5978. Today, Cardano exchanged at 0.16737, so the cost expanded by 13% from the start of the year. The estimated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $161, and the year-to-year change plus 169%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 139%. In 2024, we hope to see 1 to 121 per 1 Cardano. In the primary portion of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $2.09. In the last part, the cost would add $9 and close the year at $2.18, which is plus 224% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $2.18 to $3.46, which is up 59%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $2.18. Then, at that point, take off to $2.28 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $2.14. That implies plus 218% from today. Cardano expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Cardano cost would ascend from $3.46 to $5.49, which is plus 59%. Cardano will begin 2031 at $3.46, then take off to $3.67 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $3.88. It is about plus 476% from today. Z2152 Cardano Value Forecast 2024-2025. Cardano cost began in 2024 at $0.5978. Today, Cardano exchanged at $0.5769, so the cost diminished by 4% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Cardano cost toward the finish of 2024 is $160, and the year-to-year change plus 168%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 177%. In 2024, we hope to see 1 or 110 per 1 Cardano. In the principal half of 2025, the Cardano cost will move to $1.84. In the final part, the cost would lose $20 and close the year at $1.64, which is plus 184% to the ongoing cost. Cardano expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Cardano cost would move from $1.64 to $2.81, which is up 71%. Cardano will begin 2026 at $1.64. Then, at that point, take off to $0.75 inside the initial half year of the year and finish